My video guide will provide you with detailed recommendations on how to get rid of the new ransomware type threat called Iips. This particular ransomware called Iips belongs to the Djvu ransomware family. So this ransomware encrypts and damages the files that people store on their computers. Before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening these files. Unfortunately, due to certain vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and pretty soon people realize that something really bad has happened with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore. The ransomware Iips, as I said, is the part of the Djvu ransomware family. After encrypting the files, it adds a special Iips extension to them. Typically, the evidence of the files being damaged by this ransomware are clear after people restart their computers. So they soon realize that something really bad has happened and that they cannot access their files anymore. The ransomware encrypts these files and adds the special Iips extension to them. So whenever you try to open this specific file, you simply cannot do that. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be restored. In fact, we strongly urge you not to pay that ransom. First thing you should do is to go to the task manager of your computer. Most likely you will find some suspicious processes with long random names running in the background. If you find them, right-click on them and end the task to stop the further file encryption. Finally, I recommend you to research your computer to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software through this official resource. Install the program and start investigating your device with its help. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type infections that currently circulate all over the world. Click on Start Scan button. The program begins researching and investigating your system. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. You may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Its anti-ransomware feature is the part of the premium license. Keep this in mind. With the premium feature of anti-ransomware, you will be able to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So while the scanning is taking place, you need to wait a little bit until all these threats are effectively detected. Then at the end of the scanning, you will see the complete summary of all threats found during the scan. So as I said, at the end of the scanning, you will be able to find the information about threats, their exact location on your system. I strongly advise that you upgrade to the premium license to remove all these threats automatically and have your system always protected against malware attacks in the future. Thanks for watching.